we are going to go ahead and review the Ruger 1022. They call it the 1022 because it's a 22 caliber with a 10 round magazine, right? But when you put this bad boy in, might as well call it the 2522. They also make a 50 round drum, which I will get soon and make a review on. This particular model, I got lucky, came with the extended magazine release clip right here. Usually it comes with a very tiny one in here and you have to really struggle. But with this bad boy, you could just click here. With this extended magazine release clip, it's really easy. You could just grab the magazine, take it out that way. A lot easier with this extended one. The Ruger 1022 originally comes with just this flip out sight here and this sight over here in the end. That's what it originally comes with, but you do have the option to mount a scope or red dot sight, whatever you might want to do. All you have to do is just bolt on this rail, and this rifle does come out from the factory with this rail. You just bolt it on. They give it to you, or you could just bolt it on with these screws up here. These 3 screws here, you bolt it on. Actually, these 2 here. And then you have the option to use a scope like I'm using here. I'm using the Powerline brand scope. It's a magnification of 3 to 9 times 32. So basically you can adjust it. Right now it's at 3, but I can go ahead and zoom in with this all the way to 9, which is nice. This particular rifle comes in the camo pattern, which I thought was really nice. There's different kinds of barrels, or the way it looks up here in the front. This one in particular is called the carbine. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I think it's the carbine edition. They also have one with a longer barrel and different style. This rifle does come with a safe, with a safety. Red means ready to shoot. These Ruger 1022s do have a feature where you can lock the bolt in the backwards position. To bring the bolt all the way back, you press this button here. And it'll lock the bolt. And that was this button right here. Press that button here in the back and it'll lock the bolt. And that's perfect when you're at the range and they want to look at your gun, make sure your bolt is to the back. To bring the bolt back forward is you simply push the bolt back and you press it here in the front. Press it all the way down here in the front. Now let's go to the range and have some fun with this thing.
Get this.
What the? It's dirty.
Time to reload.
Time's always against me.
The struggle is right.